Indian police arrested 4 youth in Pulwama district. The police arrested the youth during cordon and search operations and house raids in Avantipura area of the district. Meanwhile, an Indian army man died after falling unconscious during his duty in Kupwara camp. Senior leader of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Mirwaiz Umar Farooq, has said that Hurriyat is the manifestation of political, social and cultural desire of the people of Jammu and Kashmir's aspiration for their political destiny. Mirwaiz Umar Farooq, in response to the attaching of APHC office by the Modi regime, said, "Attaching buildings of stone and mortar will not scratch freedom sentiments from the hearts and minds of the Kashmiri people." APHC AJK chapter leaders Imtiaz Wani and Mushtaq Ahmed Butt, in their separate statements in Islamabad, denounced the attachment of the APHC offices and termed it the frustration of the authorities. Pertinently, Delhi court had ordered the attachment of APHC Rajbagh office, following which the NIA sealed the office on Sunday. 29-year-old civilian was found dead in Sopore town. The civilian, identified as Shehzad Ahmed Malik, was found dead in Warpura area of town in North Kashmir's Baramulla district. A religious scholar has gone missing from police station in Kulgam district. The scholar, Mufti Nazir Ahmed Dar, had gone missing and has been reported to the police station in the district. Indian National Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, sounding warning on China, has termed it as dangerous the approach being adopted by the Modi-led Indian government over what he said Beijing's control of around 2,000 square kilometers of territory in Ladakh. Rahul Gandhi, speaking at a press conference in Srinagar, said, "I keep repeating that the approach the government is following by denying that the Chinese have taken our land is extremely dangerous approach." Amid fresh snowfall in Kashmir Valley, most flights have been cancelled and others have been delayed at the Srinagar airport on Monday. The authorities have also suspended train services amid snowfall in the Kashmir Valley.